Wanna know how to sort up or check out hotels and homes in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. Just simply head towards your web browser and type in agoda.com. This should open up your website. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So in order to find hotels, you can just simply select hotels and homes on top right here, first up. And once that is on, you should be provided with this window right here. So once you're there, here you should be seeing various options like hotels, homes and apartments, long stays and much more. So since we want 10 hotels, just simply select hotel and you can just simply sort our destination or property throughout your location from various states and much more. You can also carry out rooms and dates that you want as well. So once you're done, just simply select search and you should be seeing your hotels available, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.